Hi, I'm Matt Hildebrandt, Product Specialist with Elmers Manufacturing. Today we're standing in front of our 5,500 bushel Hive mother bin. So the mother bin is kind of a new concept in North America. Basically the idea of it is a temporary storage solution on your field. So you bring this to the field, you lift the wheels up, the whole unit sits on the ground, and it acts as a buffer between your grain carts and your trucks. So your grain carts can empty into the hive, and then the hive will fill your trucks. So when your trucks get to the field, they get filled instantly, and then they're on their way. So this can act as a buffer for starting earlier in the day if your grain is wet. It can go longer in the day if all your trucks are full or if the elevator's shut down. So this gives you a buffer in your harvest operation, trying to extend the hours in the day, giving you as much capability as possible. Like I said, so this is our 5,500 model. We actually build an 8250 as well. So it's actually got the same unload auger as our grain cart. It's got the same gearbox as our grain cart. So you can tell it's kind of the similar design as our grain carts. The big difference is it actually drops on the ground. It's completely stationary, so you're not pulling it around with any grain in it. And like I said, you're just creating a buffer between your harvest operation and your trucks, trying to keep your trucks moving as long as possible, keep your operation harvesting as long as possible, maximizing the hours in the day. You can get scales on it, or you can get it as a base bin. So the scaled option, you get scales across it, and you can calibrate them, and then you can unload into your trucks. You can preset your trucks so you're unloading an exact amount into your trucks, or you can just do the basic bin option where there is no scales, and then you just have your truck drivers filling based off of their airbags, or if they go into the farm and they're using the scale on the farm or something like that.
Alrighty, one thing I'll just point out, and you kind of mentioned it, is people are going to look at this and see the small tires, but this is not something you're pulling through the field.
Correct. Full,
and it's really just PTO horsepower to handle it. And what would be like the minimum PTO horsepower you would want on something like this if it was full of wetter grain? Or
you can run it with about 250. Your biggest thing is just going to be moving around field to field. The actual horsepower you need to turn the augers is pretty minimal. I pulled them around with like a 310, 315 horsepower front wheel assist pretty easily. I would say that's probably about the right size. You can obviously go bigger. Wouldn't want to go much smaller just for moving them around. But yeah, the PTO horsepower you need to actually turn the augers is pretty minimal.
I'm just going to walk by this machine. So you see the cylinder right there with the hitch, and then we'll walk back to the wheels. You can see hydraulic cylinders on each wheel. So once you get this machine to the field where you want to park it, then you can drop the hitch, and then these wheels will raise up, and you literally just set this whole thing down on the ground. And there it is, the Elmers Manufacturing Hive mother bin. This is the 5,500 bushel, and they also make an 8,250 bushel. Okay, well, thanks for your time, and hopefully we'll catch one of these out in the field here soon for a video.